teach him. Be patient, and when we have big feelings, we
blow the candle.
Yes. But first, smell the flowers and blow.
Elise Joson, sa kabila ng kanyang kabisihan sa kanyang mga endorsement, mga project, ay talaga minimake sure niya na magkaroon pa rin siya ng time sa nag-iisa niyang anak na si Feliz, ang anak nila ni Makoy De Leon. Ngunit marami nga ang nakakapansin na tuwing mamamasyal nga sina Elise Joson ay hindi nila kasama ang daddy ni Feliz na si Makoy. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Kahit naman hindi nakakasama ni na Elise Joson ang daddy ni Feliz na si Makoy, ay maganda rin naman ang pagpapalaki ni Elise sa kanyang anak. At ganito pala nga niya ang ginagawa niya tuwing sila ay magkasama. Talagang nagbabanding silang mabuting mag-ina. Maganda nga rin ang pagpapalaki ni Elise sa kanyang anak, pwede rin tularan ng ibang mga nanay. Sabi nga dito, raising her to speak kindly to herself, one affirmation at a time. Ito ang itinuturo ni Elise sa kanyang anak. Tuwing umaga nga ay nagkakaroon sila ng bonding. Minimake sure nga ni Elise Joson na mayroon siyang time sa kanyang anak at talagang nagme-meditate pa silang dalawa sa umaga. Sabi nga niya dito, what meditating with my 4-year-old looks like, affirmations. Ito ang kanyang itinuturo at marami nga ang natutuwa dito.
Ready?
I'm kind, I'm beautiful, I'm smart, and I'm brave, and I'm loved. And I love mommy.
I love myself.
I love self.
I love my body.
I love my body.
I love my mind.
I love my mind.
I love everything about me.
And I love everybody.
Madalas nga ay hinahanap ang daddy ni Feliz na si Makoy De Leon. Sabi nga dito ng commenter, saan si Makoy? Elise, you guys look very nice together. I hope everything is alright with you and him. At may nagkomento naman dito na okay po sila, low-key lang. Hindi na sila nagpo-post na pagkasama sila. Gusto nila ang private relationship.
Like that. Okay. So today I'm going to teach you how to meditate. Meditate means you learn how to
Mommy, I know
what? Breathing. Okay? And you use breathing for what? When
I'm angry, sad,
when you're full of emotions. Okay? So now when we learn to breathe, we calm down. Okay? Yeah? You ready? Okay. So you have your feet crisscross. And then put it here. Close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose, in your nose. Then breathe out your mouth. You're like blowing a candle. Yeah. Can we try that again? Perfect. Out through your mouth. And breathe in. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe in more. Breathe in. Breathe out. How does the breathing feel? When you're feeling angry or crying, you take a moment and then you breathe. High five. Okay. And time to swim.
Madalas nga ay namamasyal din si Elise Joson sa ibang bansa kasama ng kanyang anak para magbanding. Marami nga ang natatouch the way mag-alaga ni Elise Joson ng anak. Sabi nga dito ni Hey Hershey, nakakaiyak naman. This is so beautiful. You're such a good mom to Feliz. Sis, nakaka-touch. Sabi pa dito ng commenter, the new generation needs to understand that well-being matters, most especially in the free age. So inspiring. You are loved by many, Feliz. Sabi pa dito, good jobs, Mommy Pretty Elise and Feliz. All of your affirmation, Feliz, is really you love it. You're the cutest, always Feliz de Leon. Sabi pa dito ni Elise, how we're learning to self-regulate our emotions together. Took me 29 years to start seeing the importance of meditating, so hopefully Feliz gets an early practice while growing up. I'm really so proud to see her participate in our first attempt of breathing exercises. Let me know if you have tried this with your kids. Maski si Miss Isa Calzado ay napapa-comment sa mga video ni Elise Joson. Sabi dito, I love this so much. Feliz is blessed to have you as her mama, Elise. Love you, Feliz. Love you too. Mula naman kay Kimi Heslop. Don't have a kid yet but definitely doing this once I have one great job, Feliz and Elise. Mula naman kay Just Christina, this is so good and I have to say it made me breathe in and out as well. Such a good mom nga talaga itong si Elise Joson dahil nababalas niya ang kanyang buhay with work, business, at syempre sa pag-aalaga ng kanyang anak. Sa ganitong edad ay meron na nga rin siyang sariling business, katunayan ay mas okay na okay nga daw dahil nga nakaka-free siya sa mga ipinapagawa niya sa kanyang sarili dahil nga ito nga ang perks ng may sariling beauty business.